Today our topic is reproduction. Human reproduction. What?
Human reproduction.
What is meant by reproduction? Anyone can tell you the definition of reproduction? The organisms produce their offsprings is known as reproduction. Produce offsprings is known as reproduction. Reproduction are of two types. How many types? Two types. One is sexual reproduction. Another one is asexual reproduction. Here, now we are discussing about human reproduction. Human reproduction means sexual reproduction. It's a sexual reproduction involving of male and female gametes. Involving of male and female gametes. That is ovum and sperm. Here we can take a look. This is a male reproductive system. Sperms are situated in the scrotum. This is a male reproductive system and sperms are situated in a scrotum. Female reproductive system. This is a female reproductive system. Entire female reproductive system in the ovaries. This is the female reproductive system. In the ovaries, the ovum is present. In the ovaries, the ovum is present. In scrotum, sperms are present. In ovary, ovumes are present. These two are the sexual gametes of male and female. By combining of male and female gametes, gametogenesis process is occurs. What? Gametogenesis. Gametes are formed by gametogenesis. This is called the introduction of human reproduction. Where while coming to human reproduction, there are several steps. First one, coitus. Coitus means copulation. Second one, zygote formation, fertilization. Third one, zygote formation. Fourth one, embryo formation. Fifth one, pregnancy and childbirth. These are the 5 events takes place in human reproduction. What are that? First, coitus means copulation, means having sex with the partners. Second one, fertilization. Third one, zygote formation. Fourth one, embryo formation. Fifth one, pregnancy and childbirth. During copulation, male and female gametes came together and follows gametogenesis. After that, fertilization occurs. After that, zygote formation takes place. After that, embryo formation takes place. After that, embryo implants into the endometrium wall of the female reproductive system and undergoes pregnancy, and after that, childbirth will happen. This is the basic introduction of the human reproduction. Okay? Write down the points. Okay, now let's discuss about the male reproductive system. This is the Male reproductive system. Where is the pen? This is the male reproductive system. Here where this is the testis. This is the penis. This is the testis. Testis is covered with the layer scrotum. This is the outermost. And the testis is situated outside the abdominal layer. Every organ in our body situated inside, right? Every organ, secondary organs. But while coming to testis, testis is situated outside the body at the lower abdomen in the scrotal sac. It is the one of the layer which covers the testis. This is the male organ. And coming to this one is the penis. This one is the ureter. This one is the seminal vesicle. The passage of sperm occurs to as in a queue. This is the urinary bladder. Coming to difference between females and males. In females, there is a two ways for urinary tract, for the reproductive tract. But for men, there is only one tract for urinary tract, and to release of sperms, they release sperm and urine from the same duct. Okay, that is the penis. Okay, this is the penis. They release both urine and sperms through this side. And while coming to female, there are two urethral opening for urinary and for urine, and vaginal opening for childbirth and to perform sex. And coming to vasa deferens. Vasa deferens is connect to the testis. Vasa deferens connect to the testis. Ureter. Urethra is where? Ureter is where? Ureter is for urine pass and urethra is for this one. But ureter and urethra finally comes at the same point and release the sperm and urine. Glans penis. Glans penis means here I will draw the glans penis. Where is the duster? This is the penis and this is the glans penis. In the front side of the males, the penis swells and that is known as glans penis. There we can find foreskin. There is a type of skin which goes upwards during the erectile period. During when the male perform copulation, the penis may erect and stay strong. So where the foreskin goes upwards and the glans penis comes out. During the time of erection, sperms come outside from the penis. This is the front part is known as glans penis and this one is known as the penis. This is the male reproductive system. And coming to female reproductive, and for male reproductive systems, there are some glands. There are bulbourethral gland and prostate glands helps in releasing of sperm and semen. And the sperm is released from penis and there contains semen. And it contains semen. Semen means both liquid plus sperms. Both liquid plus sperms. In the semen is, listen here. The semen is white in color. It's like a just sticky type. Like how the in females how the white discharge occurs. Likewise same, it look like same like the female white discharge. But in males, the white discharge contains sperms. Entire semen sperms are contains and there is a proteins also. And also salt contains and NaCl also, proteins also, sugars also. Their things is known as semen. 99% of semen contains sperms. In which sperms are 50% of sperms carry X chromosome and 50% of sperms carry Y chromosome, and which 50% are motile and healthy and 50% are unhealthy and immotile. Okay, this is the basic introduction to male reproductive system. You can note this. Tomorrow I will explain you female reproductive system. Okay, note this.